have a gaming mousepad from Ant Esports, and this is how the box looks like. There's nothing much about the unboxing. It was just rolled and kept into this box, and that's it. And if we talk about its features, here you can see this is the model number Mp290, and it is a gaming mouse pad, of course. Talking about the features, here you can see it says large surface area for improved tracking, better mouse performance, waterproof surface. And talking about like speed specification, it says waterproof, non-slip, rubberized base, stitched edges, and the dimension is 600 into 300 into 3 mm. So yeah, that's all about the box. Keeping the box aside, so this is how the mousepad looks like. It is quite big, as you can see, and if I try to like, still quite big. So this is the slippery material for using the mouse. It has got stitched edges, and this is the rubberized material, as you can see. So this is a rubber material which provides a very good grip, and even if I touch it, it is like a soft rubber. So it provides a really good grip and holds the mouse pad in place like this. So yeah, talking about the size, you can see like this is how big the mouse pad is when I keep my mobile, and even the length is quite big. So yeah, if I place my keyboard and mouse, here you can see I have got plenty of space. Although I'm using a very small keyboard, so it is a 60% form factor, but still, even if you full size keyboard, it will take like this much space, and you still be having a good amount of space for your mouse. So yeah, and I would also like to appreciate the quality of stitches used here. It is like a very good quality stitch. You can see the stitch all over the mouse pad is like of very premium, very nice quality, and it looks quite well done, and the finishing also looks very good. And here it has the Ant Esports branding. Here it says Gaming Unlimited. However, the quality of the print is not so good because this thing has already started fading, and it's been only like a week since I've been using this mouse pad, and so far everything has been good with this mouse pad. Even the surface, which the Ant Esports claim that it's a slippery surface, so yeah, the surface is quite good. Like you can see, I can use my mouse very seamlessly, and it offers a very slight level of resistance while using it. So using it is not a big challenge. Like definitely you can use this while gaming. And one of the thing which I would like to point out, that if you are using in a warm environment, so when you are using in this position for a very long period, so this part start to get sweaty. That's something which I noticed. Like if this area, if in contact with the mouse pad, so after using for quite a long time, it kind of start getting sweaty. So that's something which I would point out. And talking about, and Esports claim that it is a waterproof surface. So I think it is a water, because there are a few times when I spilled little bit of water on it, and I just kind of left it there, and it got evaporated eventually. So yeah, that was a really good thing. And talking about the price, like the price for which I got was 200, and it kind of fluctuates between 200 300. So talking about the price, at 200 this is a like really nice deal. I don't think like you will get such a big mouse pad at rupees 200. So even at 300 this is quite a good mouse, because the quality seems pretty good. The quality of stitches is very good. The rubberized material here used is like really good, so it keeps the mouse pad in position, it doesn't let it slip. And even the outer surface is quite good. So overall it's a very nice mouse pad from my opinion, if you are around the budget of 300 rupees. However, I would like to point out that this is my second unit, actually a replacement unit. The first unit which I ordered had bubbled on its surface. I will attach the pictures. So it has like 2 or 3 bubbles, big bubbles on its surface, which I returned right away, and I got this replacement unit which is quite good. And so far it has been performed really well. I have been using in my daily use from past 8 to 9 days, and using it has been really good. The only concern while using was that if I was using it with my AC turned off, this area used to get a bit sweaty, like not very sweaty but slightly sweaty, and that's the only problem which I faced. Apart from that, it's a very nice mouse pad, and if you are in the budget of 200 or 300, definitely you can consider buying this, because of course you are getting such a big mouse pad and that price. So not many brands offer that. So from my side it is like 10 on 10 recommendation. So yeah, that was pretty much about a mini review about this mouse pad. So I will see you in the next one.